Articles A and. Dodo, let's study about A and an.
What are they, Jia?
A and an are articles.
Let's start then.
Say after me, Dodo. We have 5 friends. These 5 friends are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now, Dodo, it's your turn.
We have 5 friends. These 5 friends are vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Wonderful, Dodo. Apart from A, E, I, O, U, remaining alphabets are consonants.
Apart from A, E, I, O, U, remaining alphabets are consonants.
Very good, Dodo. Now let's see examples. An apple. An egg. An ice. An owl. An umbrella. Yippee! Now, Article A. Article A is used before consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Article A is used before consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yippee! Wonderful, Dodo. Now let's see examples of Article A. A boy. A cat. A dog. A pen. A fish.
Yes, Jia, I have understand about A and an.
Very good, Dodo. Friends, I hope it was fun for you as well.
See you soon in the next video, friends.
Till then, bye-bye, friends. Take care.